For years, God has blessed all of us with the privilege to venture into the great vastness we call Canada and reconnect with our huge family. This year is no different. We've been to parks that are worth exploring in our backyard, and they've all been great. But let's face it, we're all just a little older, our kids a little more mobile. Perhaps it's time to explore the unique qualities of a new adventure that's just beyond our doorstep. To venture just a little further and discover a new corner of this great land God has provided us.
Or we could go to Pinehurst.